Word for today, Galatians 6:1. Brothers, if someone is by chance led astray, you who are spiritual, correct him in a spirit of gentleness. Observe yourselves so that you also do not succumb to temptation. This is a wonderful and at the same time demanding reminder that the fall of one should not lead to condemnation, but to mercy and responsible admonition. Correcting in a spirit of gentleness means acting with love and humility, not with a sense of superiority, and also with tenderness, so as not to wound, but to bring closer to the truth. It is also important to look at ourselves. Self-control and self-reflection protect us from our own temptations and pride. The Christian community grows when we can help each other in a spirit of humility, not in anger or judgment. Reflection for today. In your relations with others, are you able to react with gentleness when you notice an error? How can you become a tool of God's love, remembering that you too need God's grace so as not to fall into temptation? If this verse moved you, share your reflection in the comment below.
If a brother loses his way, caught in the shadows of the straying day, don't reach in anger, don't stand in pride. With a humble heart, walk by his side. For we are travelers on the same road, lending a hand to share the load. Restore him in gentleness, restore him in love, with the grace that descends from the Father above. Not with judgment, but a spirit so mild, lifting the falling God's weary child. In the tenderness of truth, let mercy be shown, for by his grace we are never alone. Take a look within, watch your own heart, lest from the narrow way you also depart. For the same temptation that led him astray could find a shadow in your soul today. No one is higher, we all need the light to keep our spirits burning bright. It's not a victory to see someone fall, but a chance to answer the Master's call, to be a tool of his healing hand in a broken world, in a weary land. In humility we grow, in kindness we stand. Restore him in gentleness, restore him in love, with the grace that descends from the Father above. Not with judgment, but a spirit so